Okay, let's move on to this rounding question. What is 64 hundredths rounded to the 10th place? I really was surprised by the number of kids that got this wrong. I always feel like rounding is just a process to the rules you need to stick to. And it can still be really confusing for kids or for students. But remember, it's just like most of our other mathematical processes. There are rules that you have to stick to in order to do it correctly, okay? And here are the rules for rounding. When it's asking you what, or when it is giving you directions of what we're rounding to, underline that place value because that's the one that is going to go up or stay. The one right next door is the one who tells him whether to go up or stay. So we look next door to the smaller place value. In this case, it's the hundredths. And what does the 4 tell the 6 to do? Well, we need to think of our rhyme. 5 or more raise the score. 4 or less, let it rest. So obviously this is a 4, so we're going to let the 6 rest, which means we keep the 6, and circling the 4 reminds us to turn that 4 into a 0. We aren't going to keep it because if we kept it, we didn't do anything. We just rewrote the number, which that's not rounding, right? So we need to turn that 4 into a 0. So the answer that should have been colored in, or I'm not really sure how they do it when you take it online, if you type in your answers. So the answer you typed in should have been 6/10. Okay. So please explain the process for rounding this number to the 10th place value. And then tell me what a student would have done to get either 7/10 or 1 whole.